Hi, I'm Itchya, makeup artist and esthetician, and today we're going to talk about this wonderful brush set from Lurella Cosmetics. This is their Onyx Brush Set. This beautiful, beautiful 9-piece brush set is exactly what you're looking for. So the best thing about this brush set that it comes in this really small tubby, which makes it easy to carry around if you're a makeup artist or a beginner or if you're traveling. And let's see what's inside now. Dun, dun, dun. So it comes with this really nice 9-piece deluxe brushes, and look how the handles are so sleek and matte black, which makes it feel like it's super premium, and it is because the bristles are so fine, made with synthetic fiber. Now the first one is the stippling brush. It's super dense, and because it's so soft, it gives a very nice application on the skin. You don't even need a beauty blender after to blend it when you use this brush for your foundation. The next one is the angled blush brush. This makes the use of blush super easy because of the angle. The next one we have is this tiny but useful powder brush. This can be used for your compact, for your for translucent powder, anything as such, and also for your contour as well. So it's multi-use purpose brush. The last face brush that we have is the highlighter brush. It's round, it's fluffy, and it's really good for, you know, on point highlighting, let's say on out here, out here, out here, wherever you want. These brushes are the newer trend in putting highlighter, so they're better than the fan brushes, is what I personally feel. Now moving on to the eye brushes from the Onyx Brush Set, we have 3 amazing blending brushes. The first one is larger, then we have a medium, then we have a tiny one. So you can use it for, you know, transition colors, changing colors, as well as crease color, and, you know, really, really detailed work. And the last eye brush is this eyebrow brush, which has a spoolie at the end and a perfect tiny eyebrow brush, filling brush. And you can see that this will be very, very handy because a lot of brushes don't really have an eyebrow brush and a spoolie together. So this definitely has one, and this is why this is one of my favorite brushes. So that is all, guys. So this was the Onyx Brush Set from Lurella Cosmetics. If you like this brush, if you want to know more about Lurella Cosmetics, definitely visit www.thebeautybarnepal.com.